Understanding Digital Certificates, a guide. Hello and welcome. Today, we're diving into an important topic in our digital world: digital certificates. These certificates are essential for secure online communication, and understanding them can greatly benefit anyone navigating the internet. Whether you're shopping online, sending an email, or signing into social media, digital certificates play a crucial role in keeping your information safe. Let's explore what they are, how they work, and why they're so important. A digital certificate, also known as a digital ID, is an electronic document used to prove the ownership of a public key. Public keys are part of a technology called Public Key Infrastructure, PKI, which helps in securing and encrypting data. A digital certificate contains information about the key, the identity of its owner, and the digital signature of an entity that has verified the certificate's contents. Think of it as a digital passport or a driver's license for the internet. It tells your browser that the website you're connecting to is trustworthy and that your data can be safely encrypted. Digital certificates work by establishing a chain of trust. When you visit a secure website, look for HTTPS in the URL. Your browser checks the site's digital certificate. This certificate is issued by a trusted authority, known as a certificate authority, CA. If the certificate is valid, your browser establishes a secure, encrypted connection with the website. This process involves complex algorithms and encryption methods to ensure that any data exchanged between you and the website cannot be intercepted or read by others. There are several types of digital certificates, each serving a different purpose. SSL, TLS certificates secure websites and enable encrypted communication. Email certificates encrypt and sign emails digitally. Code signing certificates verify the authenticity and integrity of software downloads. EV certificates offer the highest level of validation for businesses online. Understanding these types can help users and developers choose the right kind of certificate for their needs. Digital certificates are fundamental for online security. They help in ensuring privacy, encrypting data to keep sensitive information like passwords and credit card numbers safe, authenticating identities, verifying that the entities or websites you interact with are who they claim to be, preventing tampering, ensuring that the data received has not been altered during transmission. In our increasingly digital world, the importance of these certificates cannot be overstated. We hope this video has shed some light on the crucial role of digital certificates in securing our online activities. By understanding how they work and why they're necessary, you can better protect your personal information and navigate the digital world with confidence. Thank you for watching, and stay safe online. Remember, knowledge is the key to a safer digital experience. See you in the next video.